Hey everyone, welcome back. Does the Uber app work fine on your mobile data but completely stops working the moment you connect to Wi-Fi? Map won't load, can't book rides, or just spins? Here's the quick fix. First, go to your settings app, tap Wi-Fi, and tap the letter I circle next to your Wi-Fi network name. Tap forget this network and confirm. Toggle Wi-Fi off, wait for 10 seconds and then turn it back on and reconnect to your network with your password. This clears the broken session Uber was stuck on. After reconnecting, open the Uber app again. If it still does not work on this Wi-Fi, then try connecting to a completely different network, a mobile hotspot or a neighbor's Wi-Fi, and see if Uber works there. If Uber works on a different network, your home router is blocking or filtering Uber's connection. Try restarting your router, and if that does not work, change your router's DNS settings to Google. The address is 8888. Also make sure no VPN is running by going to settings, then go to general, then scroll down to VPN and device management, and make sure that it is turned off. So all you've got to do is forget your Wi-Fi and reconnect, test on a different network, restart your router or change DNS, turn off VPN, and Uber will work on Wi-Fi.